Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. This is another farming simulator game. This game is called Crop Bytes. So today we will see how we can get some good game playing strategies, and if we keep on playing this sort of games it will eventually give us some profit. We all played Sunflower Land, and that is a very good game. This is also a blockchain based game. The main coin is TRX, and you can earn lots of CBX as well as, and you can convert it into TRX. So those you will come to know while you keep on playing. Let's get started. So I just started yesterday just to know how we can play, how I can let you know how to play the process and all. So while you will start, I will definitely give you the link. So if you join from the link, you can get a free pack. Let's see what those packs are. This is a refer and earn, this is visit friends, this is profile and how to play. All are there. So you can check those out. First you can see the home. This is trial period is going on. In the trial period you can see what you will get. If you click on wallet, you can see my assets. Right now I got eggs and milk, and the currencies is CBX, TRX, USDT, HGC. Various currencies are available. So let's get started how we can start the playing. If you see left hand corner, you can see that number 5, that means 5 notification is available for me, and it is saying harvest crop. Every time you come to this game, you will find the notification and you just have to follow those instructions. It's very easy. Now I'm clicking on harvest. This is a trial period. You can see time left, so it is already been harvested, so I have to crop. Now you can drag it and you can see, look, this is me. I'm coming to harvest this. Okay, I got 2. Now what I have to do, I have to place the crops. Yes, you have to drag it. Nice. And you have to drag the water. I have water, I guess. Yes. Okay. One job is done. I have 4 others job to do. Now feed goat. Here you can see the goat is hungry and I have to feed all. Now wait. Let me come here. My simulator. Yes, I'm running hard to reach to that barn, and yes, now I will feed the goat. Fine. You can see 2 jobs are done and I got some milk. I'll show you how much milk I got. Okay. Now feed hen. I got a trial pack of hen. Now feed all. Yes. Now I have to feed and I will get some eggs. And that will be very helpful in game, that I am collecting milk and eggs. Nice. So while you start the game, you don't have to pay anything. Anything means anything, not a single pice. You can start it for free and you will get a tile pack. Then you will start playing, and after 7 days your those tile packs will be gone and you can sell those things, and then you can buy a starter pack and other things. Let me finish those two tasks and I will show what are those. Now I have to feed cow. I will get some more milk. Done. Great. Grind crops. No active grinding, so I don't have any crop, but I can grind 10 crops. Free meals. Oh, nice. Time, quantity, your order. Confirm. Cash farm. Mill 1 in queue. Mill fee 0 CPX. I don't have to pay anything. Right? Activate grinding in queue. So let's get out from here. And you can see this is the pack, starter pack. Okay. Buy seed assets. Oh, here grease large pack, but I cannot see. Yes, this is the thing. If you buy a starter pack, means this is mini pack, standard pack, mega pack, and jumbo pack. Sorry, jumbo pack and grand pack, 500 USD. Let's start with mini pack. You will get two door, water, corn feed 100, and fruit feed 20. If you wish to, then only. I am not suggesting you to spend anything to start this game. You first play for free for 7 days. Then if you wish to, then only you will pay something. You have to invest and start buying this mini pack or any other pack to continue your game. But I never suggest to pay anything for this game. Okay, now you can see this is the barn. Okay, here in barn you can see 860 assets, 0 is performing, need care, I don't have any tasks left. And in essential, this is trial pack, I got corn cob, corn feed, corn seeds, I got egg and milk, I have earned. This is fruit feed, I have 50 fruit feed available. Nice. Farming. This is the land I have got from trial pack. Needs care. Animal sets. No asset. Cow sets. Next feed 23 hours. Every day you have to come once and feed your cows, goats and hen. That's all. You don't have to spend your whole day. It's very easy game and you can earn really good amount. As I have started yesterday, I haven't collected anything and I am a learning, you can say. So while I will learn, I will let you know how to play this. This is my strategy so far. Uh, this is USDT, CB time 6:11 morning. My wallet, you can see my assets count. Oh, I got some milk, but as I'm playing from computer, you can also play from mobile as well. It's available in iOS and Android, so you can download those and start playing, or you can directly go with the URL. So that's not an issue. Let's check sending minigame. Ready to sow seeds. Planting seeds minigame. Plant 10 seeds in 60 seconds to complete the minigame. Start. Oh, this is nice. 3 only. 4, 5. Oh, 6. Oh, 7. 8. 9. Oh, this is fun activity, but so far I have planted only 9. Come on. Oh, I'm not sure if I'll be able to finish it. Anyway, this is definitely a fun. Oh, so close yet so far. Oof. Exit. Oops. I will do later. Back to farm. Right? This is the game. So you can start playing this game, and as always I try to share whatever I play, whatever is my notion about those games. I'm trying to share with you this time as well. So you can see I am very much novice in this game yet, but this is the first day I have started. So I shared with you. Hope you have enjoyed so far this show, and if you like this, if you want to continue, please let me know in the description box. I will send the link, and let me know in the comment box that you have joined or you are playing this game already, whatever. And I will keep on trying this game, as well as I will try to explore more new games so that we can play and earn some good games in cryptocurrency. Thank you very much for watching.